Finally, we made this video. This video is the most requested video from our viewers. Hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. Today we are going to see how to make this shampoo formulation. Basically, to make a shampoo, all you need is only 3 ingredients: distilled water, surfactants, and preservative. Before getting into the formulation, we need a good quality of ingredients to make this shampoo. All the ingredients were purchased from Aces Game. You can directly get from their website. The links will be given in the description box below. This is the lather test of our shampoo. You can see the foam is rich here and it is mild, non-stripping shampoo. It cleanses the scalp cleanly and washes off easily. Now let's get into the formulation. Our first ingredient is distilled water here. Distilled water is mainly used as a solvent in cosmetic formulations. For liquid shampoos, you need distilled water here. Basically, we need 3 ingredients to make a shampoo, but I am adding some extra ingredients to make it good. Our next ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. Add extra hydration to your hair. My hair is a frizzy hair, so I love glycerin in my hair care products. Our next ingredient is a surfactant, Coco Amido Propyl Betaine, CAPB for the short. It is a mild surfactant used as a co-surfactant in all the formulations. It boosts the lather and pairs well with our main surfactant. I'm going to share within a minute. This helps to cleanse the scalp very cleanly and effectively. This is the main surfactant we are going to use here. It cleanses the scalp thoroughly. It removes the built-up oil, dirt from our scalp, and our scalp feels so good after washing. I have used it for months and I loved this surfactant. It is called AOS for short. Next ingredient is an optional, but I have an itchy scalp, so I am adding cucumber extract to soothe my scalp. Our next ingredient is hydrolyzed rice protein. It is an optional ingredient, but I love to add into my shampoo formulations. It helps and repairs the damaged hair. This is the scenting part. You can add your fragrance to your shampoos. Our next ingredient is liquid germal plus. It is a preservative to preserve the shampoo formulation. You can give it a quick mix here, and while mixing, don't mix it continuously, it forms bubble. Here I have a separate container of glycerin and I am adding a thickening agent called xanthan gum to thicken my shampoos. It will be water in consistency, so you need some kind of thickening agent here. I am using xanthan gum. This gives a clear solution. Add the xanthan gum slurry to the shampoo formulation and let it sit overnight, and tomorrow you can see the texture difference. apply, this is the next day. You can see the consistency difference. I love this consistency. If you wanted to make it little thick, you can add extra xanthan gum here. Now we can pack it. I am sharing two different package options here. This shampoo is great for all scalp types, especially if you have buildups, dirts, etc. Then make this formulation and thank me later. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Happy formulating! All the ingredients and measurements will be given in the description box.